How to sign out of Roku account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign out of Roku account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.roku.com and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to sign out, before signing out, make sure you remember your login credentials, that is your email address and password, as you will be required to enter your login credentials every time you try to log in freshly to Roku. So now to sign out, tap on your profile icon on the top dashboard. You will then see the option for sign out. Tap on that and with this you will be led to your Roku login page, which means you have signed out successfully. So this is how you can sign out Roku account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.